It was 2008. I was 17. I had never played or owned a musical instrument, so I headed down to a local music shop and took a look at what they had. I talked to the owner and he showed me around of the different ones they had. They had drums, electric guitars, pianos, and more importantly, the acoustic guitar. Always liked how it looked and the way it sounded. So I went and bought one, took it home, spent many hours practicing and trying to figure out how to play it. I was just never able to coordinate my left hand to play the strings. And so after a while of continuing to practice over and over, I eventually lost interest and got back into drawing and other hobbies that I was more interested in. And that's what inspired me to do this drawing today, an abstract acoustic drawing of an acoustic guitar. I had good times with it and I tried my best, but what matters is that I'm doing what makes me happy.